Hi guys, welcome to another video. And today I am going to be sharing you guys the process or the digital art process that this art took for me to make. So first I went with a light color one brush, like round brush. I don't know the brush name exactly, but I went and took black color and changed the opacity, and then I like started sketching. After sketching I like then after sketching I made another layer called outline, and then I again like what to say, I did the other stuff, like I made the black lines. Right now the sketch looks very ugly, but trust me, the like outlining or marking process, like the black thing, whatever that is, inking process, that is a term, it's going to be very nice. So actually this is the like sketching process right now. After the inking process I'm going to color it, and after coloring I'm going to add the shades and highlights, so you guys can see all this in this video. So hope you guys enjoy. Now enjoy the rest of the video, guys. Bye. No, buys. You guys watch the video, and at the last, bye.